Hello, I'm in a 2015 GMC Terrain, and today I'm going to show you to check your oil level. So first you open the hood, and then while the vehicle's off, you'll find your dipstick here, which we'll pull all the way out and then wipe it clean with a paper towel or rag, and then stick it all the way back in, and then pull it out again. And then we'll check these dots. The left dot is your full mark, and then the closer as you go to the right, the lower you are, so you need to add some oil. So if you're not near that left dot and you need to add some, we'll stick this back in, and while the vehicle's still off, we'll take this cap off and then make sure you're using the proper type of oil, as well as ideally the same synthetic, conventional, and brand you've been using. Better not to mix and match if you can help it. But with this cap off, either with a funnel or straight from your quart jug, fill as needed. Try not to overfill as well, because that could cause issues. But once you're done adding oil, screw this back on nice and tight. And then I would start the motor for 5 seconds or so to circulate the new oil. Turn it off, and then repeat the process from the very beginning with this dipstick to pull it out, wipe it clean, stick it back in, and then check if we're full or not now. And all this you shouldn't do in place of your regular oil changes, which typically do by putting the vehicle on a slight lift, pulling the oil plug to drain all the old oil out, replacing any filters as needed, screwing that plug back in nice and tight, and then going back from the top here and adding the recommended amount of oil for an oil change for your motor, screwing this back on nice and tight, and then turning the motor on again for 5-10 seconds or so to circulate that new oil, and check in your dipstick once again to see if we're full. But I hope all this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.